Community Hospital, a Healthgrades America's 50 Best Hospital.
Clinical outcomes that are among the top 1% in the nation. Exceptional patient care year after year. A deep commitment to excellence. This is what it takes to be one of Healthgrades America's 50 Best Hospitals. Hi, I'm Dr. Samantha Collier, Chief Medical Officer of Healthgrades, the nation's leading independent healthcare ratings organization. I'm also a practicing physician, and I've seen the difference it makes to be on the receiving end of high-quality health care. Caregivers and hospitals that share the deepest commitment to quality deliver the highest level of caring and have the best clinical outcomes. And this profoundly impacts patients, their families, and the caregivers themselves. Gaining a place on the Healthgrades America's 50 Best list is so powerful because it is based on an independent analysis of patient care outcomes. That is, how patients fared at these hospitals. Hospitals can't apply for this designation. It is based on data that is objectively analyzed. Each year, we assess the clinical performance of the nation's nearly 5,000 hospitals to identify the best of the best. We call them Healthgrades America's 50 Best Hospitals, and I'd like to tell you about one of them. I am pleased to announce that Community Hospital is a Healthgrades America's 50 Best Hospital. This hospital has demonstrated clinical outcomes that rank among the top 5% in the nation for at least 6 years in a row, not just based on one medical condition, but across 26 different procedures and conditions. Think about it. Only 1% of the nation's hospitals achieve this each year. Community Hospital is doing something very special. Healthgrades America's 50 Best Hospitals demonstrate survival rates that are among the highest in the nation and complication rates that are among the lowest in the nation. These hospitals show that providing top-notch medical care year after year is achievable. As our nation increasingly focuses on disparities in healthcare cost and quality, it is these elite, world-class facilities that will lead the way to a better healthcare solution for all of us.
To identify America's 50 best hospitals, Healthgrades researchers analyzed millions of Medicare patient records over multiple consecutive years from nearly 5,000 hospitals nationwide. We found that during that time, if all hospitals had performed at the level of America's 50 best hospitals, over 150,000 additional lives could have been saved. America's 50 Best Hospitals are truly making a difference in your community by improving the quality of care for you, your family, and friends.
So what drives the outstanding level of care at Community Hospital? A leadership team dedicated to hardwiring clinical excellence into the fabric of the organization. It is an attribute all of America's 50 Best Hospitals share. From the executive suite to the operating room, excellence and an unrelenting commitment to quality is something everyone takes pride in. There is no doubt Community Hospital is dedicated to providing outstanding patient care every single day. Congratulations to the dedicated staff, physicians, and administrators for your unyielding commitment to raising the bar for healthcare quality in America. The Northwest Indiana and Chicagoland region can feel secure that it has access to care that is best in the nation. From all of us at Healthgrades, we are proud to recognize your hospital's collective efforts to attain this outstanding accomplishment, a Healthgrades America's 50 Best Hospital.
Community Hospital, a Healthgrades America's 50 Best Hospital.